Today we will be mounting this Samsung tablet onto the wall. It will be used for home automations as well as viewing the front and back cameras of the house. The house came with this DSC alarm number pad panel. It is very old, but it still works. But we don't use it because I can't stand ADT. To remove the panel, all you have to do is lift it up and pull it out. Behind the panel, there is one single wire. Within that wire, there are 4 small wires. All I had to do was push it to the other side of the wall. Here on the other side of the wall, we only need 2 wires for power. Go ahead and wire it to the USB-C connector. I'm using a USB-C 90-degree angle, and in order to secure it into the 3D print, I use 2-part epoxy to glue everything down in place. Going down to the basement on the other end of the wire, we only need 2 as well, and this one we can easily just plug into a USB power plug. Go ahead and use anchors if you need to screw it into the wall, and all you have to do is slide the tablet in and it works. And there you go. Hope you find this video useful. Feel free to ask me anything in the comment section below.